Hey YouTube, welcome back to our kitchen. We took advantage of the $5.99 deal at Domino's. Oh yes, we did. We got some sandwiches, some pizza, maybe even a little dessert. Let's see what we got. Behind door number 1 here is the chicken parmesan. Yum, 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 yum. And also got pepperoni and sausage. These two things are for Pops. Not all at once. Give him a sandwich and like a slice. Got us chicken bacon. Give me chicken bacon sandwich there. I can't get enough of their chicken bacon. Italian Sammy. And last but not least, ta-da! Dessert. So, we are going to get to lunch. Somebody's letting us know what she thinks. Thanks so much for watching. Please smash that likes up. Hope to see you again.